Hi, my name is Tyler Dennison. I'm a marketing specialist here at Portage College. Today we're going to be giving you guys a campus tour of our Cold Lake campus. So why don't you follow me and let's go check it all out. So our first stop on our campus tour is going to be into the Students Association Lounge. So this is where students will be able to come in, hang out. They'll be hosting different activities and different events for students throughout the year. So this is a good chance to come spend some time with your classmates, spend some time with your fellow students, and do some cool activities here on campus while you're a student. So right outside of the Students Association, we also have the Students Lounge. So especially in the long nights, the long times of winter when there's not a whole lot of natural sunlight, this area is a really popular spot because during the little bit of daylight that we do get, it does have natural sunlight, which is a very common theme you'll see throughout all of our campuses. We value the natural light quite highly here. So this is a really nice spot for our students to kind of sit around and hang out. They can study, they can do some quiet time, but they can also hang out with friends. It's a really nice lounge area. Our next stop here now is going to be for our electrician program. It's going to be our electrical lab. So for students taking our apprenticeship electrician program, this is where they're going to be spending most of their campus time. Along the wall here, you'll notice a number of different lockers. So if you come to our campus as a student, you'll have access to a locker while you're here. And here is one of our computer labs. So this is what the computer labs will look like in our Cold Lake campus. So if you're taking a program like one of our university transfer programs or a business program, you may have courses that require computers. So these are the computer stations, and this is the classroom where you may spend some time for those programs. Now we're going to head out to the Student Learning Services section. So this is where Student Learning Services is where all the student counseling services take place. So if you're a student who needs some extra help with the program, whether it be something like finishing an assignment or help with exam preparation, or even something as simple as note-taking in preparation for that, you can come to the Student Learning Services Center and they'd be happy to help you with anything related to your program. This is also where student counseling will take place. So if you need some additional counseling, if you have something going on personal that you need to talk about, you can speak to Student Counseling Services right here. We have our Student Services Counselor office right here. Our Work Integrated Learning office is right here. So if you have a program where you have a practicum placement as part of your program, Work Integrated Learning will help work with you to find a practicum placement. So this is where you would come for any questions or any help with your practicums. Now we're going to head to the library. So this is the Cold Lake Library. So this is where you'll have a variety of resources available to you for the library services. So whether you need physical materials like textbooks or print materials, or if you need help with resources for a paper or anything like that, you can come to the library. There's also a variety of computer stations as well as workstations available. And if you look over here as well, this is where the campus bookstore is also located. So we have a variety of different college swag on display here that you can purchase, but this is also where you'll be able to come and purchase your textbooks at the start of the year. Now we're going to head to the Student Services and General Inquiries section of the campus. So here we are at the Student Services. This is where if you have any questions or if you need any help with anything, if you're interested in a program, if you're interested in something that the college has to offer, or if you're looking to pay tuition, or if you've got questions about funding, or if you'd like to speak to an academic advisor, this is where you can come to speak to those people. All right, so that does it for our bottom floor. Let's head upstairs now and check out what we have on the second floor. First thing we're going to notice as we get up on the second floor is a number of lockers. So again, lots of locker space for our students. And here we are, this is the faculty office. So if you're taking a program like our community social work program or our practical nursing program or something like university transfer, this is where all of our faculty instructors' offices are going to be too. So this is where you can come and ask them any questions, or if you have any concerns or any issues while you're taking the program, this is where you can come and speak to them. So here we are in one of our labs. This is where our chemistry and our biology students who are taking university transfer programs are going to be spending a lot of their time. So they get to use some of this stuff that we use here for their biology or their chemistry lab as part of university transfer. So here we are. This is 2325. As you can see, kind of looks a little bit like your normal classroom. And then you come over here and it's got quite the little lounge spot. So if you're looking to really relax while you're taking a program or while you're taking your class, you can hang right here, you can sit down, you can lounge. It's a pretty good spot. In addition to that, you're going to see around here we have the high flex setup. So what that means is while you're taking a program, say you're not feeling well one day and you can't attend class, you can log into the class remotely and you can watch the class as the offer is taken online. So even though the program is offered on site, you can still attend a class or two online if you need to through our HighFlex option. So practical nursing is another program that we offer here at our Cold Lake campus. This is the lab for that practical nursing program. So as a practical nurse student, you're going to spend a lot of time in this lab. You can see it's kind of designed as if it was like a hospital ward setting. So one of the cool things about the program is that each of these mannequins are set up a little bit differently. So when you come in as part of the lab, you're going to do different tests on the different mannequins to find out what's wrong with each one of them as part of the program. It helps teach skills that'll help you get ready when you're actually in the work setting. So it'll help you get prepared to go and join the workforce when you complete the program. So now right across the hallway, we have one of our traditional classrooms. So as you can see, this is truly set up like your standard classroom would. This is where a number of our different programs are going to take place. So if you're taking something like our business programs, community social work, if you're taking university transfer, this is the type of classroom that you would be spending a lot of your time in for the classroom portion of those programs. So now here we are at another student lounge spot. So as has been the common theme throughout our tour videos, lots of natural light in the very short winter days. This is a good spot to come and grab some of that quality natural light. Right in here, we have a boardroom / study room for our students. So this will be used by a variety of different staff and students throughout the campus. It's a good spot to come to work on group projects if you're a student. It's a spot that you can come and work privately if you want as well. It's also going to be a spot for our staff to use for various different meetings and events like that. And so here we are back at the front of the campus. We're right above the Students Association. Lots of natural light coming in this area as well. Very popular spot during the winter months. And that pretty much does it for our campus tour. We're just going to show you one more thing now that's a great benefit of coming to our Cold Lake campus. So a really nice benefit of the Cold Lake campus is it's actually connected to the Cold Lake Energy Center. So as part of your tuition fees that you pay when you're attending campus, you pay for a membership to this facility. So you'll have free access to the Energy Center. You'll be able to come to the gym. You'll be able to use those facilities that they have here. They have a fitness center. They have a walking track. They have a variety of different gyms and stuff like that that you can use while you're taking programs here at the Cold Lake campus. So that pretty much does it for our tour.